Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix laptop speaker crackling sound on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the sound, video and game controller section and right click on where speaker driver and select properties. Select drivers tab and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting done, just close stuff here. If the problem started after a recent update, then you just need to select the rollback driver option. And after that, just close stuff here. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the speaker icon over here and select sound settings. You just need to scroll down and select more sound settings. Select your speaker and select properties. Select enhancement tab. Check mark disable all enhancements and select apply. Now go to advanced tab. Click on this drop down in default format and select the first option and select apply and OK for save changes. And now select OK and close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to large icons and select power options. In here you just need to select show additional plans. In here you can able to see high performance option. You just need to select that. After selecting it, just to close stuff here and go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Comes up troubleshoot setting. Click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select the audio troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instructions and this will help you to fix this problem guys. And I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.